topic. Had a really good game, but you missed the last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could've saw. But sad to say, you saw before. Phantom pull up, valet, open door. To say you saw before.